Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on how to set trailing stop orders. Before we jump in, it's important to note that practicing with a demo account is a great way to familiarize yourself with market conditions without risking real money. Let's get started. A trailing stop order is a trading tool that automatically adjusts the stop price as the market price moves in favor of your position. It helps lock in profits and limit losses by setting a stop order that trails behind the market price by a set distance that you can define as a fixed amount. When the market price moves favorably, the trailing stop moves with it. When the market price moves unfavorably, the trailing stop does not change and only triggers when trailing stop price is met, potentially securing gains or minimizing losses. After logging into the platform, open the market you're planning to trade with. Once you've entered a position, head over to the Open Orders section to set your trailing stop order. You can simply click the trailing stop order box and set the number of points you wish to set the trailing stop by. Notice that the trailing stop order will override a normal stop loss order, so you're going to have to delete the trailing stop order and set a normal stop loss order if you wish to change it. Once set, the trailing stop order will trail behind your order if it moves favorably in your trade's direction, and stay in place if the trade moves unfavorably against your position. We hope this video makes it clear on how to set your trailing stop orders while trading. See you in the next video.